If you're experiencing matchmaking errors in FIFA 24, particularly error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions or issues with your network. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your console or PC completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Update FIFA 24. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in your console or game client, as developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve matchmaking. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Access your network settings and consider enabling UPnP Universal Plug and Play or port forwarding for FIFA 24. This can help improve connectivity and reduce matchmaking errors. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to EA Sports support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help troubleshoot the problem further. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your FIFA 24 gaming experience and reduce the occurrence of matchmaking error 2025. Good luck on the pitch.